Hey, how's it going? It's been a while since I've spoken to you, so here's an update for Bendigo Aerial. First of all, I apologise for the lack of updates on social media. It has been a crazy few months, really busy with drone work and servicing our customers. Plus in Victoria, we had further lockdowns and restrictions, which made it really hard to travel around and move around Victoria. One of the good parts of working and living in central Victoria, it reduces your travel time so you can access the entire state within a few hours drive either side. So I think for this reason, project managers and filmmakers contracted us to travel since they've either locked down in Melbourne or Sydney. So that was one of the main reasons our workload increased. The good news, I guess, is the drone industry is booming. There are plenty of jobs and contracts available. We get around 2 to 3 inquiries a day, which is great, and we do like zero advertising. But I also do hear other operators are struggling. So let me know in the comments how your drone business is going. Hopefully it's going well. The first update is that I wrote a children's song. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. What do I know about writing a children's song? Absolutely, Jack.
Daddy, Sergio.
Also, because of current lockdowns, this is my new cameraman.
I did write a children's song. I got a singer for it, I produced it, did the lyrics, the music, and it's available on all streaming services for free. The song is called Drone Safety Song for Kids. I know, very original, but it has been streamed over 20,000 times on Spotify. It's totally free, so if you have young kids, give it a listen. The music video will be out next week. The links are down below. I did also write a children's book, a rhyming children's book about drones and safety. I'll talk more about this later in a different video, I guess, along with the song, but if you have young kids, check it out on Amazon and all good bookstores. It's also available on Kindle Unlimited, Audible, and your local library. Check it out, the link is down below. Now the next update, nothing to do with kids, I promise. I started using RC cars for filming. We had to film a small car commercial and had to get some low shots. Now I started with FPV flying drones, so I used the Traxxas RC car, modified it with some FPV gear, added some Fat Sharks, camera equipment, and got some incredible low shots. I guess I'll post some photos and video on Instagram if you want to go check it out. The next update, I started using OpenDroneMap as a full-time replacement for our mapping software. Incredible piece of software. It's free, open source, on the internet, and if you have some IT skills, a high-end PC or server, you can start mapping and stitching your own orthomosaic and 3D models. We use Amazon CDN for our customers to process those images quickly. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to know more about OpenDroneMap. So I got these new mini Cinewhoops for a bit of FPV fun. Great little drone if you want to get into FPV flying. I guess you do need to know a little about drones and how they work, and I also highly recommend you start off on a flight simulator to practice before getting on one of these. I'm going to start a short series of videos just answering your questions I get on a regular basis. I usually get around 50 or so emails every week asking about, you guessed it, drone operations, and also about some of the equipment and software we use. So I do have a few more videos coming out shortly answering your questions, as well as why sometimes it's just a little tricky to show exactly what happens behind the scenes. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be a long day today. I'm just on my way now to Swan Hill to provide some aerial photography for a client. So I just wanted to say thanks for sticking around and watching. Please like and subscribe to our content if this interests you, and I promise to get more content out to you shortly. I hope everyone is going well, and if you own a drone business, I hope you're smashing it in the sky. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Hey Google, play the drone safety song for kids. Did that work?